Alan and I used to do this thing where we take a popular piece of music or like anything, writing, and we just retranslate it and garble it into nonsense, complete nonsense, and then we'd post it. Or we made videos with like robots reading it, we'd Google like auto read it. And then the idea was that every piece of media that's ever been created has been being beamed to humans from space, but then the humans mistranslated it when they created it. So our company existed, Textual Restorations, in order to go through and retranslate all of the text that humans had ever created into what it was originally supposed to be. And then we'd just like go through, we'd just take like a Beatles song and be like, you know, like Eleanor Rigsby, right? We did Eleanor Rigsby and be like, Father McKenna, we'd be like, Father, by Tuesday, do you think you'll have those socks? Right? It was like the way that we would change that line. Right? And we just change it into all like nonsense, but the like dripping with like possible meaning, right? So people would read it and they'd be like, wow, like thinking it's like some really avant-garde, like weird fucking shit, and we're like,